Hey, one thing I will never ever forget is when I came here and my friend said to me, say, listen to me, Foxy, no matter how long you want there for, no matter what you want to go on for, but me tell you this, you have to pay your dues in the country before you make it. You must pay your dues before you make it. You understand what I say? You have to go through your own struggle in order to appreciate what will come after that. It's like, I don't know. I don't think it's just Jamaicans. Everybody who come here, first of all, they're going to experience a lot of culture shock. And it's like basically starting over. Like, everything new. You get me? I say, you know, used to certain things in like a Jamaica where you know, so you can adjust to certain situations easily. You're in a whole foreign country. And you have to learn the entire system. You have to learn how to go about things different. So, you know what I mean? There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. And I know even telling you some things when you go through, I know say it rough. I know say it hard. I know say it rough. I know say it hard. Listen, but they don't want me chop at work one time, you know. Me. They don't want me chop at work. That's why I'm telling you, I know was a hot girl at Jamaica. My name was a girl at Jamaica, but they don't want me chop me to stand up on my foot for 12 and 13 hours a day, and you could not sit down until you get that 30 minutes for break. For sit down and go eat or do whatever you want to do. The way all my foot could have tender and sore, I have to tell the man so I can't come back to the work. I couldn't do it. Yes, anytime he call out, the man I go tell me, and he want to call me, like he want to say, I need you to come in today. The my day off, the man will say, if you refuse to come in, you don't work here anymore. And them kind of style them, you go through me. Good me, yeah. Just because I need the little shillings. You understand what I say? So it's not easy. It's not easy. But sometimes I think back about something sitting and I go through me. I tell you, so I can't believe some really go through there something there. But all I know, foreign humble you quick as fuck. Humble you real quick.